Happy morning, friends, and good wishes to my students. My dear young students, how do you get inner peace? Most of the times, your mind may be agitating, may be wavering with so many thoughts, ideas that may bring either peace or tension. In order to get the peaceful mind, in order to get the peace in your mind, what to do? How to do? Let us discuss about it. First and foremost thing, you should think like this: I will stop worrying about everything. So there are so many things that happen every day in everybody's life, around your life also. But everything is not necessary for you, and you are not supposed to worry for each and everything. What is the need for worrying for each and everything? So stop worrying about everything which is not of your concern. Then another important affirmation you should have is you promise to yourself that you will live a healthy lifestyle. See, waking early in the morning, wake up early in the morning, have a schedule of to-do list, and think confidently, positively, and then go to the bed at about 10 or 10:30. Have at least 7 hours sound sleep. That is a healthy lifestyle. Take breakfast without interruptions of phone or iPad or so, and do that. That is a healthy lifestyle. Then another thing you must know is stop thinking about past events. What is the use of thinking past events? Whatever happened, happened, and you can't change what had happened in the past. Thinking about the past, worrying about past doesn't yield any good result. And so stop thinking about past. If there is a mistake in the past event, learn from that. You might have already learned it. So don't think about past. That may cause worry, anxiety, tension, and everything. So, and another important thing you must know is, and you must forgive yourself and also others. Very important. So, and forgive. So yourself. So when you make a mistake, forgive by yourself, and when others make a mistake, forgive them also, so that you will be at peaceful. And then take things simply, easily, and don't make things complicated. So always think that I am becoming more at ease with myself. Think like that. Don't make things complicated. And so always think that you will be honest by yourself, and so be honest. So be honest. Whatever you think, speak it, do it. So be honest. And so remember, you should love what you like, what you do. So always love what you like and what you do. And then so take things in a gentle approach. And always remember, stop feeling the need of control each and every job. Then I let life play out on its own. Think like that. Let life comes on its own. Like that, when you think, and you will be at peace. And I wish that you should be always having mental peace. And Shubham Bhuyat. Namaskar.